Language is the bedrock of human civilization. It is the tool with which we communicate, share knowledge, and build communities. The origins of language have fascinated scholars for centuries. Where did this incredible ability come from? Was there a single, original language from which all others sprang? This essay delves into these questions, exploring the controversial Sun language theory and its potential to reshape our understanding of linguistic history. The quest to uncover the roots of language is a journey back in time. It takes us to the dawn of humanity, to the first utterances and the birth of complex thought. By tracing the threads of language back to their source, we gain insights into the very essence of what it means to be human. This exploration leads us to unexpected places and challenges long-held assumptions. It forces us to confront the possibility that the history of language, like the history of our planet, may be full of surprises. Noam Chomsky, a towering figure in linguistics, revolutionized the field with his theory of universal grammar. Chomsky argues that humans possess an innate capacity for language. This capacity is hardwired into our brains, a product of our evolutionary heritage. This groundbreaking idea suggests that all languages share a fundamental structure, a universal grammar that underpins their diversity. Chomsky's work provides a crucial framework for understanding the potential existence of a single ancestral language. If all human brains are predisposed to learn language in a particular way, it stands to reason that this predisposition stems from a common linguistic ancestor. This idea, while controversial, opens the door to intriguing possibilities about the nature of early human communication and the potential for a linguistic missing link. Enter the Sun language theory, a controversial yet compelling hypothesis that places an ancient Turkic language as the progenitor of all human languages. Championed by figures like Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, founder of the Republic of Turkey, and linguist Hermann F. Kvergic, the theory has sparked debate and ignited imaginations. While dismissed by some as mere nationalistic fervor, the Sun language theory presents a compelling case worthy of serious consideration. Atatürk, a visionary leader, saw the revitalization of Turkish language and culture as central to forging a new Turkish identity. His embrace of the Sun language theory should be understood within this context. Kvergic, on the other hand, approached the theory from a purely linguistic perspective. He meticulously documented perceived similarities between Turkic languages and other ancient languages, building a case for their shared ancestry. While his methods were sometimes unorthodox, his passion for uncovering the secrets of language is undeniable. The Sun language theory gains further traction when we turn our attention to Sumer, one of the world's oldest civilizations. Sumerian, a language isolate with no known relatives, flourished in Mesopotamia millennia ago. Intriguingly, close examination reveals tantalizing parallels between Sumerian and Turkic languages, suggesting a deeper connection than previously recognized. Could Sumerian, a language long considered an enigma, actually be a distant cousin of the Turkic language family? This provocative question lies at the heart of the Sun language theory. If true, it would radically alter our understanding of ancient linguistic relationships and provide compelling evidence for the existence of a Proto-Turkic language spoken in the cradle of civilization. Section 5. Deciphering the code Sumerian-Turkic Parallels. Examining specific linguistic features strengthens the case for a Sumerian-Turkic connection. Take, for example, the Sumerian word for head, sag. This bears a striking resemblance to the Turkish word sak, meaning hair. While seemingly a minor coincidence, this phonetic similarity hints at a deeper linguistic link. Further investigation reveals numerous other shared vocabulary items and grammatical structures, suggesting more than mere chance is at play. These linguistic parallels, while requiring further rigorous study, are compelling nonetheless. They suggest a shared linguistic heritage. a common ancestor that gave rise to both Sumerian and the Turkic language family. This challenges the traditional view of Sumerian as a language isolate and opens up new avenues of research into the ancient world. Section 6. The Ur-Turkic hypothesis, cradle of human speech. Building on these linguistic connections, the Sun language theory posits the existence of a hypothetical Ur-Turkic language. This ancient tongue, spoken millennia ago, is envisioned as the root from which all human languages descended. While speculative, the Ur-Turkic hypothesis provides a tantalizing explanation for the observed linguistic similarities between seemingly disparate language families. This hypothesis, if proven, would rewrite the history of language. It would mean that the first human language, the language spoken by our earliest ancestors, was a form of Proto-Turkic. This language, carried by migrations and cultural exchange, would then give rise to the incredible diversity of languages we see today. Section 7. Global implications. Tracing the linguistic web. The implications of the Sun language theory extend far beyond the realm of linguistics. If true, it would necessitate a re-evaluation of our understanding of human migration patterns, cultural diffusion, and the very origins of civilization. It would mean that the seeds of culture, carried by language, were sown from a Turkic wellspring, spreading throughout the world and shaping the course of human history. The theory also challenges us to reconsider the traditional narrative of East and West. It suggests that the relationship between these seemingly disparate regions is, in fact, deeply interconnected. This interconnectedness, rooted in a shared linguistic past, has profound implications for how we view the world and our place within it. Section 8. The Trump-Erdoğan connection, a linguistic conspiracy? The Sun language theory, while compelling on its own merits, takes a decidedly more speculative turn when we consider the relationship between former US President Donald Trump and Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Some proponents of the theory point to their close ties as evidence of a hidden agenda, a secret plan to establish a new world order founded upon Turkic linguistic dominance. This claim, while lacking concrete evidence, is nonetheless intriguing. Could it be that Trump, a man known for his unconventional approach to global politics, saw in Erdogan a kindred spirit, a fellow traveler on the path to reviving an ancient linguistic legacy? While seemingly far-fetched, the possibility, however remote, cannot be entirely dismissed. Section 9. Conclusion. A new linguistic paradigm. The Sun language theory, while controversial and undoubtedly requiring further research, presents a compelling alternative narrative of linguistic history. It challenges us to reconsider long-held assumptions about the origins of language and the relationships between different linguistic families. Whether or not it ultimately stands the test of time, the theory forces us to confront the vast unknowns that still exist in our understanding of the past. The quest to uncover the origins of language is a journey of discovery, a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity. The Sun language theory, with its bold claims and intriguing connections, is a reminder that the past is never truly settled. It is a story constantly being rewritten as new evidence emerges and new perspectives come to light.